Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will talk about the flippa.com. Everyone knows that Flippa is one of the best place to buy, sell your website. Suppose you have a profitable website, you can make thousands of dollars, you can make lakhs of $1 million, and you can all or also make millions of dollars if you flip your website in Flippa. I mean, if you sell your website in Flippa. There are lots of websites who helps us to sell and buy websites. So Flippa is one of the best way or best websites, and the payment protection is highly safe. Today I will show you how affiliate marketers are making money from Flippa by selling their websites, and how people are buying their websites, profitable websites from Flippa, and how much they are making. So let's begin. So this is Flippa, number one marketplace to buy and sell blogs, e-commerce stores, affiliate sites, SaaS businesses. So this is the website. You can see, if you have a e-commerce website and have some profits, you can also sell your business here. Get a fast start under 2500. So let's have a look at how much suppose if I search golf bags, there is no starter sites. If I click here, starter sites, let's have a look at. So this is a website, content rich website. Let's have a look at SEOrankhit.com, a complete outsourced SEO service provider business. So SEO reseller outsource service, they are selling their website. Their asking price is $305 only. If we look other websites and established sites, how they are making, let's have a look at easytrackings.com. They are asking 3200. News Mavens 18,000. Small house decor. This is a content based affiliate site. We will look into this. This is the affiliate site, small house decor. So the age of this website is 6 years. Monthly profit they are making 960 per month, 96 profit margin, and page view 7,600, and profit multiple 3.4. So they are asking 38,500 US dollar, and they have verified by AdSense Analytics. So this is the man who is from Indonesia who is selling this website. So as you can see, we can also make this money if we have established profitable websites. Let's have a look at some other websites. This is confidential, Evo Experts, Hanging Confirm. This is a dropship store. This is another affiliate site. Let's have a look at a dropship website from Flippa. So this is a e-commerce store, Hanging Comfort. This 2-year-old e-commerce business is the premier online retailer for hanging decor furniture. Swing by and explore the latest looks from Hanging Comfort. The site is 2 years, monthly profit 687 per month, 90% margin, and they are asking 9,000 US dollar. This is Tyler Evans from United States. He is selling this website. So the main reason of visiting this website was we can make handsome amount like this. This is a content based website, verified listing. They are asking, can you just check, for 14 lakh 1.4 million US dollar for this website. They are selling it, and this website is making 34,000 profits per month. So you can get lots of ideas from these websites and make your own website. So now I am Raihan, working in Upwork, and I am also making affiliate websites. If you want me to hire, just I am sharing my link, click here. You can also see my projects out there. I have my projects. I will also share the links of my projects. You can get professional 4K video editing. You can get social media accounts from me. You can get technical on-page and off-page SEO service from me. You can also get Amazon sorry for that, Amazon affiliate marketing website for passive income. You can also get monthly SEO service and voice service SEO from me. So if you need any service, you can just message me and I will be there for you. As you will know that Upwork is payment protected, and you will get your service as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video.